Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen, the Little Crafter. Okay, guys, so today we're going to be doing a weekly plan with me. Please don't forget to also like and subscribe already. Okay, let's try not to butcher the intro. Alright, so this is part of what last week. This was all from Samuel Planning. So we're going to be doing a Sassy Planner Co. weekly kit. This one is called A Little Witchy, and I have the full kit here. And yes, I have the date and the glitter headers. So here are the glitter headers. So here is the deco. Here is the icons and weekend banners, scallop boxes, labels, flags. We have day covers and washi tape and more deco. We have weekly checklists, decorative washi strips, 3-heart checklists, bill pay, weekly trackers, and more labels. Then we have the full heart box checklist, and then we have the half and quarter boxes with more scallop labels. Alrighty, so that is what I'm going to be using. And again, this is a Little Witchy. If you use Eileen 20, you'll get 20% off, and my PR freebie from her shop as well. I'm also going to be using the work schedule. I'm going to be using the Luna Trash, Pizza, Luna Happy Mail, Therapy. Okay, and from Savannah Paper Co., I'm going to be using her Ghost Date Dots, her pill box from Ali. Sorry, I always butcher Aliology Disclosure. The Day Off stickers from Peppermint Planner. I gotta see if she is still available, but I'm gonna be using her half a day. Technically, it's early dismissal, but I haven't gotten a sticker like that yet. And school stickers from Planner Frenzy. Alrighty, so that's what I'm going to be using today. I'm going to try to keep... Alrighty guys, I was going to keep this in real time, but the video was too long. And anyway, so... Alrighty, so we're going to start off with the washi strip on top. I really love the contrast between this washi strip and the date covers. We're going to put the deco on the side bar, and here are the gorgeous date covers. I'm also going to be using the Ghostly Date Dots from Savannah Paper Co. I love how this all came together. It's so super duper stinking cute. I love it. It's absolutely gorgeous and so fun. Alright, so now we're going to be putting down the glitter washi headers, and we're going to be using the labels and scallop labels to mark down school. Sassy Planet Co.'s work day stickers, and we're going to do the same thing pretty much for Thursday and through Sunday. So we're gonna put the ghost the washi up top, and then the day covers and the ghosty day dots. I hope that makes sense. Alrighty, so now we're just gonna add some of the washi, the decorative washi from the kit, and then we're gonna do more known things. So we're gonna put Luna, Happy Meal Luna, and then we're gonna put Trash Day Luna for Monday. The kit does come with a Trash Day sticker, but I totally forgot about that. I will be using it for since I have a lot left over from the kit, I'm gonna be using it for my daily journaling pages. So we're gonna be putting down also some deco stickers, and we're also gonna be using deco stickers and the full heart checklist. I don't know why I can't say that correctly. It doesn't roll off the tongue for me. Alright, so now we're going to be using the day off stickers from Ideology Discord. My apologies. Again, I will link down below. Friday is the half a day or early dismissal, and that is the beautiful as I was saying, sorry about that. Now I'm going to be putting down a label for Friday. That's going to be for taco night. So I already don't have YouTube stickers, and I don't have taco stickers. I forgot to bring those down. So I'm going to put for Monday YouTube upload, and then I was gonna put one for Friday. Oh, well, no, I do put one for Tuesday. Wednesday I don't put anything because I don't know if I'm going to. I probably will upload, but I also have what is on Friday, Wednesday. No, I probably won't. It's gonna be a really busy day. I have a parent-teacher conference or meet and greet. I don't know. I think it's just a meet and greet. So I'm also gonna be adding different pattern washi, or mix them up, put them down at the bottom. Try to fix it up and make it straight as possible. See what I mean by so we're gonna be fixing up Friday, and I'm like, no, I want to change that up. So we are going to be doing the taco night, refilling his meds, and another trash night. And then for the weekend, I'm just going to be adding a 3-heart checklist. At first I wasn't going to do it, but then I changed my mind. I fixed the schedule, the workday schedule, and then I'm just adding some different washies to the mix, glitter headers, and then I'm going to put down the washi on the bottom. So anyway, guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So now we're also going to be doing the sidebar action, because at first I'm like, wait a minute, I think I'm done, and then no. So we're just going to be putting down some habit checkers, and we're going to be using the weekly checklist. Alright, so now we're definitely 100% done, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.